Hi, just to show you the DKLMRC spare wheel that I bought. It's a lovely piece of moulding or 3D printing. There's hardly any flash on it. In fact, the detail on this is better than the wheels that are on the tank. I wish someone actually made some nice wheels for the Heng long tank. I was contemplating shimming the trumpeter ones, but I think that would be a bridge too far. But this is very nice. If you can see, it's held on by two little bolts. I've got a little video at the end to show you how to put it together. I sat there for 20 minutes trying to work out how I was going to screw the little teeny bolt down there on when this bolt was on. But you don't have to worry about that, I promise. Yeah, it comes in this snazzy little packet that's hermetically sealed at the top, which is kind of cool. And yeah, and that's it. So it goes on there. Oh, and I've done most of the stuff. And I've just got to put a little teeny bit of masking all over it, and I can chuck some black paint on it tomorrow. So I know we can get camouflaging it, which I'm looking forward to. Anyway, look, have a nice evening, and I'll see you soon. Hi everyone, this is just a quick one. If you're wondering how to fit the DKLMRC spare wheel to the side, I was sitting here scratching my head for 5 minutes because I'm probably stupid, trying to think, oh, how the hell do I get the bottom bolt on and then the wheel? What you do is you put the bottom bolt on first and then squiggle this in, and then I guess you put the tyre on, the wheel on there. There we go, see? So you put it around that way. You see? I'm sure everybody else worked that one out, but just in case you didn't, and you were like me sitting there going, oh, that's how you do it. I'll put the wheel and I'll show you in a sec. So it's like that, so the bottom bolt's on, so you can do that off of the tank. And then I'm going to put the top bolt through, which then must hold the whole thing in. It's a lovely bit of kit, and it hides a massive mistake I made. It droops, my basket droops down one side a little teeny bit. But put that there and I won't notice. It's great. There's the bit pushed through. So the bottom bolt is on, and then you just put up the top bit. I'll quickly do that, and there it is on. So it's like that. So you can you don't have to worry how to get to that bottom one. So that's how you do it. First you screw in the bottom one, then you place it on there, then twist it over, and then put it through the main wheel, and it's on. And then that solves my issue with a droopy turret basket. There we go, so you can't really see it. So I know it's cheating, but out of sight, out of mind. Anyway, have a nice day, Holiday.